Alright, so we just got this in the mail. It's from AIRLOCK. All came in this box. It actually came with 2 heads, but I've already taken one out. And we got 2, one for each air conditioner. So what these are, this is an AIRLOCKOne made by AIRLOCK. Basically an air purifier. Okay, 1 per air conditioner. These help get rid of smells, tank smells, musky smells. It says even mildew smells and hopefully pet smells, like that guy over there that's laying down. I don't know if you can see him or not, but hopefully it'll help with a little bit of that. They say it's easy to install. They say you can install it within 15 minutes. I have not researched anything on these. I have not watched a video on how to do it. So I'm going to put the 15 minutes to a test. As you can see, I've got all my tools here ready, and it's simple tools. Cutters, screwdriver, some strippers, and then I'm going to use some Wagos to connect the 120 up here, because this thing has 120 volt wires. It's not 12 volt, it's 120. Here's what comes in the box. So you've got your instructions, QR code, not QRO, the QR code. They have a 90-day guarantee. They also have a 2-year warranty. You just have to register it. They also have free shipping, plus the 90-day warranty. And then at the time of filming this video, which today is 4th of July, I don't know if you can tell by my red shirt, I'm trying to be festive. I believe they're running like a 40% off sale or something like that today. Also comes with a warning card and then the product itself. So this is a piece of metal that comes with it. It has double-sided tape on the back of it, and it goes on top of the AC right in front of your evaporator coils. Once you stick that on, what you'll do is once you wire this and get it done, the AIRLOCKOne will just sit on that metal. If you don't like the magnets, you can remove these magnets, and you'll have 2 holes here that you can screw in and mount, or you'll have these 2 feet right here that you could screw in and mount also. They do that because of so many different air conditioners, but also because this thing is actually made for boats also, so there's tons of different varieties of things that this can be put on, so they have a bunch of different ways they can mount it. It even comes with the 2 screws to mount it. Alright, so what I didn't mention yet is this thing is basically a one-time thing. So there's no refills in here, there's no screens that you need to clean, no filters or anything like that. You install it and it's a permanent solution. Once you plug in the wires, you turn on your air conditioner and these get power. You will see this light come on right here. It's a blue purplish light, and that lets you know that it's working. And it even has a little airflow thing. You can put it sideways, upside down, mounted, up like that, and it'll work. It just has to be 2 inches away from any type of metal. So what we're going to do is we're going to mount ours directly in front of our evaporator coils, and then it'll be good to go. So like I said, I have not done this install yet. It takes about 15 minutes, they say. So I'm going to give it a go with the tools that I have right here, and we'll see how long it actually takes. I'm going to put Kristel's timer on, and then we'll record and see how long it actually does. Alright, so here we go. I'm about to start. This is actually going to be a few seconds slower because I got to put the phone down, but there we go, starting the clock. Can you see it on the phone, Kristel? Yep. Can you see the start? Alright. We'll see how long it takes. So I'm going to take these filters off. Alright, so I got the panel off. I'm going to take this one off next, and then we will get to our controller, because that's where I want to put the power for the 120. As you can see, I'm taking my time. I'm right at 2 minutes right now, and I'm going to go down and turn off the breaker for the AC. The little quick disconnects, or whatever you want to call them, they unscrew off the controller if you're doing it like I am. Bring the controller down.
So the good thing, you don't have to go up on the roof to do this.
You don't have to, but I almost had to because the screw for that little connection right there was
Gotcha.
spinning, so I could barely get it off. All right, so this thing's dirty. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, Kristel, can you see that from here?
Let's see. I'll bring it up.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the power wire for the AIRLOCKOne on this connection, which is one of the fans. I think it's low fan. On the fan connection, and then the ground for the AIRLOCKOne I'm going to put on one of these two white wires right here, one of these two neutrals, so that'll be a ground. And then that'll give it power, and then we'll put it up top. All right, so I'm just gonna pop this off and cut it, strip it.
Now, can an average person do this job?
Yeah, I mean, I think so, as long as you have
A little bit of idea going into it,
yeah, I mean, you know,
not blindly.
Not that, but as long as you have some type of a little bit of mechanical skill or mechanical know-how, and you'll need a few hand tools and connectors depending on how you want to do it. If you wire it just like me, you know, you'll want to do it a certain way. But yeah, for the most part, I feel like you could.
And the biggest thing is turn power off.
The biggest thing is to turn power off, yeah, because it's 120 volts.
So
Won't kill you, but you'll feel it. What I'm going to do with the AIRLOCKOne is they come with these connections right here. I'm actually going to cut these off and then strip these. That way it can go into my Wago. And we're looking at almost 6.5 minutes.
can you explain what a Wago is, if people don't know, or?
A Wago's just a connector. It's like a...
And that's that's in that box.
Mm-hmm. Yep, all different kinds. That you can fit like 5 of them, 3 of them.
Makes connections super easy.
Yeah, it's
right?
it's almost like a quick splice, I guess, so to speak, would be a good word for it.
Okay.
I don't use them on everything, especially if it's outdoors, but something like this,
Indoor.
indoor, and right here, it'll be fine. But yeah, I don't use them on everything.
Okay.
Alright, so those are good. We got that prepped. I'm going to use the common wire right here. Alright. Alright, so I got all my wires stripped. And I'm ready to put everything back together. So there's the common / ground. Go ahead and plug that back in. And be careful in this controller too, because even though you turned off 120, technically there is some 12 volt stuff still floating around in here. So you know, if you touch, I mean, you won't even really feel it, but if you were to touch metal to it, you would see a spark or possibly blow a fuse somewhere. I like to give those a little tug just to make sure they're good. Everybody likes a little tug now and then.
That's what she said.
That's what he said.
He said.
Alright. Alright, so those are wired up. I'll turn on the breaker in a minute and we should get power, but I want to put this controller back up. We're looking at 9 minutes. So if I wasn't being lazy, I could probably run these wires through, or this 12-2 Nomex is Romex, but honestly I don't feel like it, so I'm just gonna cover it like that. Make sure that wire right there is safe, and that's good. Then we'll put this bad boy back up. Actually, I'm gonna take it that direction so it hangs down. Then put your controller back up. I don't know if I said it, but there's like 2 little nipples that are on metal. If you have been on the top of your AC, that little metal plate on the Colemans that you take off. Just leave it there, baby.
You can always grab a ladder or use your furniture.
There you
Or
go. I'm going to take it too.
we have
Just so now Apple. There's that. What are we looking on time?
We are looking at 12 minutes and 40 seconds.
We're gonna make it. Piece of metal. Pulled off the double-sided tape. This is not the magnet. The magnet is on there.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna put that right there in front of the evaporator. If you want to show them.
Yeah.
This is taking a little bit longer because of that. But right there, okay. Then the AIRLOCKOne is gonna go right on that metal, kind of centered. Okay.
Okay.
You don't really have to do this, but I'm just cleaning up these wires just a little.
Yep.
Alright, so we're gonna put the rest of it back on. I don't think I'm gonna make 15 minutes because of those two screws, but we're gonna give it a good college try. Again, I'm using hand tools to make it does make it slower, but I'm trying to make it more realistic to somebody that might be doing this while, I don't know, camping or something, and they don't have a drill with them or whatever. So I'm trying to make it a little bit more realistic for you guys.
So technically, the product was installed in less than 15 minutes.
Yeah. The product, was installed in probably 5. Yeah, that wasn't a problem at all.
Yeah.
The
But
product was easy. The screws on that controller are what gave me a hard time removing and installing, so
Right.
that's what's going to put us behind.
Winner, of course, is working super hard over there.
And I am done. It's stop 16:57.
All right.
So a little bit slower than 15 minutes, but it says the product can be installed within 15 minutes, and technically it was, and I could have probably done it in 15 minutes if I didn't have an issue with the control box. Other than that,
Yeah,
it's good to go.
I'd say 15 minutes is definitely realistic.
Definitely. And it's an easy install. I mean, there was no special tools.
Yeah.
The wire strippers might be a little special if you don't really have those.
Right.
Turn the
Very
AC
cool.
on, turn it back on, and then let me take this filter back off, and you should see the blue light.
Oh yeah, you can see it. Yeah,
So-
blue lights on. Yeah. Good job.
Alright, so now it's working. This is the AIRLOCKOne from AIRLOCKUSA.com. Go check out their website. So I believe we have an affiliate. Check our link below for our affiliate code. Alright, so it's been about a week since I installed the AIRLOCKOne. So far so good. Everything's working correctly. The lights staying on and everything. I think personally that it's working like it's supposed to. We're pretty happy with it, I think.
Yep. I definitely don't feel like the dog doesn't smell, not that he's that smelly, but
Right.
it just smells kind of more like fresh, clean,
Like a neutral.
like a neutral.
Like there's no, and I had to explain it, but there's just no smell. It's just air.
Air. Fresh air.
Yeah. So we have been getting, before the install, we were getting an egg smell pretty much every time that our gray tank was full. one of the two, whichever. I think the kitchen one, every time it's full, it smells like egg. I haven't really noticed it since we've installed the AIRLOCKOne. I don't really know if that's just because we haven't filled it quite yet, or it's actually helping with that too. That's still up for debate. But as far as the animal smell and just the overall kind of like cleanliness smell, no musky odor when the air conditioner first turns on, nothing like that.
Yeah, and we're also right now in summertime in the south, so it's always rainy and muggy, and sometimes it kind of just gets like, I don't know.
Yeah. So
kind of just like a damp smell sometimes. Maybe.
right. Yeah.
Like I feel like I'm not noticing any of that.
Yeah. So far so good for us. This is a 1 week review on it, and we're pretty happy with it. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the kind of boring install video, but I wanted to put it to the test and see how long it actually took. And so far so good after a week. All right. Thanks for watching.